Yes, that is a dam behind me. No, you probably don't hear a lot of interference in the sound or noise or background crap. Welcome back to Creative Reality, my friend. It's time to take a look at the Mic 2 kit from DJI. Did I get that right? DJI, there it is. Boop. Anyway, this thing, I bought it like a month ago and I've run it through its paces. So I want to bring it to you today, and hopefully the camera's not shaking too bad. It's on a tripod on a bench. See, woo, wobble. I'll try to sit still and remain calm. I bought this on Amazon. It's like 350 bucks. It's not cheap, but I think it's worth it. And I want to explain why after I put my hat on, because it is super sunny out today. Sorry for the shade. I've got sensitive eyes. It comes in this really cool carrying case, and it's got pockets in it and everything. And it comes with 2 transmitters and 2 wind muffs, see? And it comes with something extra neat too, which is this cable right here. This cable plugs into a dedicated camera like my Canon, which we'll switch to in a moment, and allows the Mic 2 to actually, the receiver, to turn on with the camera, which I think is really cool. Inside the carrying case, it's got this charging case, so you drop the receiver and the 2 transmitters in, and boom, they charge. Big miss there. If you put one of the wind muffs on a mic on the transmitter and then try to close, it ain't gonna do it. The Mic Mini does, but this one does not. It does have a couple of phone adapters, so if I pull out the receiver, you can see it's got a couple of like phone adapters in there. I don't use those. I don't record on my phone. I don't like recording on my phone. I like recording on the Pocket 3, and I like recording on my Canon. So I'm always looking for something that's going to make my life easier. And I mean, you can see this one. I borrowed one of the magnets. This is the transmitter that came with the Pocket 3. And I borrowed one of the magnets, so it's holding it on my shirt. And I probably messed up the audio there. But I can look down and see that noise cancellation is turned on. If I push the button, now noise cancellation is turned off. And I can already see on the screen that we've got a lot more noise. Listen. Push the button again. Now the noise is way lower. There's way less background noise. And I love anything that makes my production quality go up without my workflow getting screwed up or taking longer than it has to. I'm a huge fan of. So this thing is like, it's awesome. It just really is awesome. Now, I did mention earlier that I ran through some tests and I was able to hook the receiver here to my GoPro Hero 10. And then I clipped one of these transmitters on my helmet. Listen to this. Whee! I love it. All right, I'm doing 30 miles an hour, and this is microphone 1, and now we're gonna switch to microphone 2. We're almost to 40. So let's redo our test. We're at 43 miles an hour on the main microphone, and then we'll switch to 43 miles an hour on the secondary microphone. I sure hope it stays there. Yep. I got more fur than a coat company. I don't know what to say there. 55 miles an hour on the main microphone and 55 miles an hour on the secondary microphone. Right? That's totally wild, right? That's like the worst wind test you could have on a microphone, and I should have left that for the end of the video because now you'll click off. Anyway, don't click off. Boop the like button. You're learning stuff, right? And you're enjoying yourself. Anyway, this might be the worst spot to try to record a video. Off frame that way, there is an exhaust fan. Off frame that way, there's an exhaust fan. And just 2 feet right here, there is a space heater running on high. Even if I hold the mic out here, it's set to auto gain on the Nikon. The DJI Mic 2 is set to auto, and I'm probably screwing up the audio. But you can see, noise cancellation is active. If I press this button, that's what the room noise sounds like. Pretty wild, right? Hear that again, I'll turn the noise cancellation back on. And my voice doesn't sound overly robotic or processed. How are they doing that? In such a tiny little microphone, you're getting all this noise cancellation. This is nuts. Test complete. I was amazed at what the noise cancellation does for this thing. It blew my mind. It's like having the noise cancellation in DaVinci Resolve, my editing software, but instead of being in the software, it's in the microphone. And the voice doesn't sound overly processed when you apply when you turn on the noise cancellation. That's just nuts. Now, I was able to pair the GoPro with my Hero 12, but it didn't go all that well. You see, I didn't use the receiver. I connected it via Bluetooth to the Hero 12, and the results weren't great. Take a listen. Well, we are doing a test today. We've got the Hero 12 there, and it's connected to the Mic 2 transmitter right here, which is paired via Bluetooth to it. There's no media mod on the GoPro. There's only the Bluetooth connection between the mic and the camera itself, and we've got some extra wind noise. This is cool. It pairs pretty easily, and then once it's paired, you actually don't hear any beeps out of the GoPro anymore. It doesn't, oh, they're playing baseball. It doesn't give you any beeps. It gives you no sound. And if you're wondering why I'm doing this, it's because viewers asked. Viewers like you, who are very kind and boop the like button and maybe consider subscribing and asking questions in the comments. Something else we're testing for is a delay. Are my lips moving in sync with the audio? We're gonna test right now. I'm at a stop, dead stop. Are my lips moving perfectly in sync with the audio? So is the video and audio synced up, or is there a delay or an advance of so many frames? Yeah, I was nonplussed by that. The GoPro did spit out 2 audio tracks for the video files that I recorded, but really the internal microphone was much better, and it disables the noise cancellation on this. Like, that's nuts. It's like this doesn't have the noise cancellation in it. Is it in the camera? Is it in the receiver? I don't know. Some other features about this receiver, I didn't realize this at first, but this is a touch button. It's a push button. You can push the button and stuff happens. And it's a scroll wheel. You can scroll through. Hopefully I'm not changing anything. But it clips onto any hot shoe or cold shoe, and then you just plug into it and go. It's that easy. Like, the pairing is super fast. The audio quality is really good. I'm really happy with the audio quality. And yeah, you just put it in the charger and boom, it's charging. Like, how cool is that? That's just simply amazing. DJI continues to impress me with their stuff. If they came out with a fully functioning remote for their action cameras, I would probably switch brands away from GoPro. I've had GoPros for 15 years. I probably would switch. Now, let's switch to the Canon and talk some more about the Mic 2. You want to hear that, right? So all we have to do is slot the receiver onto the camera. I've got a transmitter here that is going to replace this one in just a moment. And then we're going to plug in the wire. It's just got an out here, so you click in fully. Where is it? There it is. And then I'm going to open the mic port on my camera, plug it into the one that says mic fully. And now, when I take the lens cap off here, and I flip it to on, video mode, that should come on now. And it did. You can't see it, but it came on. So now I'm recording on the Canon handheld. I've got my Mic 2 transmitter here. We've got the Pocket 3 there. And I can just put this on a tripod because everybody carries a tripod with them, right? Now let's take this. And it does have these really cool clips. The clips are great on these, but which one goes with which? I forget now. This is the one for the Canon. And there we go. Let's raise this up a little bit. And this is going, I can see the preview screen. I've got a little icon that says I've got noise cancellation going on. And I've got an audio meter boop, 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 doing this when I talk. It's awesome. And you can hook 2 of these, 2 transmitters to the receiver. It comes with 2. I have 3 now. I haven't tried to pair 3. I don't think it's going to work. I think 2 is the limit. But I can also use 2 of them with the Pocket 3. So if you buy the Pocket 3 and you pair it with the Mic 2 kit, if you didn't need like all the other creator combo stuff, I did a review on that combo, by the way. Great stuff. Then you're left with 2 transmitters and the Pocket 3, and you can mic up 2 people and have a conversation and record great audio. And now the wind is kicking up and we've got a dam behind us, but I bet it sounds great, right? I'm absolutely amazed. This is cool. So we ran through an extreme wind test. We're in a windy test now. We did regular wind test. I've already plate I've already shown you in the Creator Combo that we did a wind test there with the Mic 2, and that was with noise cancellation off, I found out. I didn't realize until I bought the Mic 2 that this thing has a button on it that changes the noise cancellation to on, and I'm gonna raise it up a little bit so it has an easier time picking up my voice. I've got a voice for radio and a face to match. Anyhow, I'm absolutely blown away by this. I think it's great. I think it's well worth taking a look at if you're in the market for a wireless microphone setup. I think the audio quality is on point, and yeah, it's expensive, but it should ease your workflow and make your production quality values go up. What's not to like about that? Do you have any questions on the Mic 2? Leave them in the comments below. I thank you again for watching. I will leave links to Amazon down below. They're affiliate links, so you help me buy more gear. I get a kickback, doesn't cost you any extra. But anyway, that's all I got for you today. The Mic 2 is awesome. One little caveat with the case, but other than that, it's been aces. I've used it on probably 3 dozen videos now, and it works. And you gotta love stuff that just works. So I hope you're having a great day. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this fine day. So thank you very much for watching. Go check out this video next, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.